Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to build an amazing IoT surveillance car using an ESP32 Cam, L298N motor driver, and BO motors. By the end of this video, you'll be able to control your very own surveillance car remotely using a web browser. Let's dive in. First, let's introduce our main component, the ESP32 Cam. This small and affordable module comes with an onboard camera, making it perfect for surveillance projects. To start, we need to set it up with the Arduino IDE. Open your Arduino IDE and go to Tools, Board, ESP32 Arduino, and iThinker ESP32 Cam. This selection is crucial for our module to work correctly. Now, open the example sketch for the ESP32 Cam. You'll need to uncomment the line for the iThinker module. Next, scroll down to the part where you enter your Wi-Fi details. Replace the placeholders with your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Connect the ESP32 Cam to your computer using a suitable FTDI programmer. Make sure to select the correct COM port in the Arduino IDE. Then click Upload. Once the code is uploaded, open the serial monitor. After a few seconds, you should see an IP address displayed. This is the address you'll use to access the camera feed. Open a new browser window and paste the IP address. Voila! You should see the live camera feed from your ESP32 Cam. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move on to building the car. We'll be using an L298N motor driver and BO motors to drive our surveillance car. Make sure your connections match this diagram. Connect the motors to the L298N motor driver, and connect the motor driver to the ESP32 Cam. Head over to the GitHub repo provided in the description. Download the code and open it in your Arduino IDE. Just like before, update the Wi-Fi details with your network's SSID and password. Upload this new code to your ESP32 Cam module. Once it's done, open the serial monitor again to get the IP address for your surveillance car. Paste this new IP address into your browser. You'll see a control interface to drive your car. Use the on-screen controls to move your car while streaming live video from the camera. And there you have it, your very own IoT surveillance car that you can control remotely from any web browser. It's an excellent project for learning about IoT and robotics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting projects. See you next time.